I was
Well,
just
Yeah,
they're
asking.
they're memories. They're time capsules.
well,
Yeah.
Danny, before you say that, buddy, let me, because I'm really interested in hearing the way that you want to explain what Jay just did. And like, I'll just give you my quick little elevator pitch. And all my buddies give me shit for this, and they think I'm full of shit for saying it. But I'm in the exact same boat as Jay. I'm like, I don't care how many, and I know this is going to sound ridiculous, how many millions of dollars you throw at me, that car is not going anywhere. It, it
100% agree.
and I know that sounds like Conor McGregor swagger, fucking, big swinging dick shit. I I am so far away from that. It's not even funny. I was talking to the wife before the pod at how the fuck we're going to pay rent this month. Okay. So, like, it's not because I can't use the money. I swear to you, that's how much that car means to me. And it sounds to me like the three of us on the pod understand where I'm coming from. I know not everybody does, but Danny, it's your turn, buddy. You put your spin on that.
Well, my spin on it was no different, really. It's just they're time capsules of memories for one. Like you've been through probably how many iterations on that car alone? You
Totally.
yeah, like my green one, you know, everything from a SVO motor to a big block 460. It we call it the test mule. We
The
test
slut.
everything in it, and they're fun memories. And I don't, you know, I bought that car. The dealer was a dick. Because I got there and it was $2,000 or $3,000 more than what it was on the website. So I made the comment, I'll just go back to the local library and buy it online, save myself the money. And they're like, no, no. And me and my dad got in the car and left. And they chased us down. They're like, we'll give it to you for what it is online. I'm like, for the hassle, another $500 off. Fine. And, you know,
Nice.
and the car's mint in the inside, except for one little thing is because these still, and kids today don't understand it. It still had the cigarette lighter in it, right? Push it down. So someone smoked in it at one point. There's a cigarette hole in the passenger seat. Small one. I have 60 yards of that material. I bought the last remaining a bit of it when I
Yeah.
found it. I could fix it. I could repair it but it's like I leave it there because it's a talking piece. Like
It's part of the car.
it's part of the car. I can't fix it. All my cars are that way. They're part of the family.
I love that, dude. Love that.
They tell their
I actually
stories, man.
sold one for what I paid for it almost 3 years ago now. I bought a '96 S281 for the, Maximum Motorsport K member. It's the only reason why I bought it. It was a shell, it was a roller, and it was during COVID, and I needed it for my '97 I was doing. So, I'm like, "I'll just throw the '96 in the storage someplace. I have an S351 stuff for it. Maybe I'll convert it. I'll do something with it." I really didn't want another S281, but I needed a K member. Maximum Motorsports was telling me it was going to be 6 to 8 months. I can go pick this car up for like 4 grand. It had an IRS in it and a bunch of other goodies, so I knew I could part it out and make it a roller again for cheap. And one of the guys in the Celine group was building a '96, and he was so proud. I sent him some parts to get it all put together, and the fuel line came off on the initial drive, and it burned to the ground.
Ooh.
And I
Ooh.
called him up. I'm like, "I know you guys are going through a headache right now, but I have the next serial number car ahead of that. Theirs was a convertible, this was a coupe." And he's like, "Really?" I'm like, "You guys can have it if you'll get it transported and pay, you know, I think I sold it to him for like $2,500. I'm like, "But you can have it." And that was probably the first car I sold in the last 10 years.